Hey guys, Looney here and welcome back to yet another tutorial. Now in this tutorial will be a /hub tutorial on how you can do /hub to get to a hub. So basically this is in the main class or underneath the on command. So we basically just want to add enough space and do cmd.get name equals ignore case, and it'll be hub obviously in the parentheses, and then open it up to whatever. Now if you want to add a player permission, go ahead and do it, but I'm going to go ahead and not do it. So just here I'm going to do world equals bucket.get world, and in here is basically the world name that they're going to be teleported in. Mine's going to be called world, and location new spawn equals new location, and then world name, and then the coordinates. So I believe the coordinates that why did I just open up that? I believe the coordinates that I used was 120, 66, 242, and then at the end we just want to do p dot set sorry, not p dot set, p dot teleport, and then location, and then new spawn. You could really change new spawn to hub, and change this to hub. Doesn't really matter. So hub, obviously put location correctly, import bucket, import world, and import location or .bucket. Now we'll go ahead and sort that out, and that should be correct. So don't forget to add a return true. Save, go to your plugin.yml, copy this, paste it, and you also want to go ahead and change it to hub, and change this to whatever you want. So sends player to the quote unquote, or not quote unquote, to hub. Anyway, let's go ahead and export this project now. So export, next, and let's just go ahead and finish, and yes. And now I can go ahead and launch the server. You could actually just send them a message when they've actually gone to the hub, like you are now at the hub or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, so it's been enabled, no errors or anything. Let's go ahead and connect, and this is basically where we're going to spawn. So if I go over here, just a little platform, don't worry about that. So if I do /feed and /heal very quickly and do /hub, as you can see, I'm going to be teleported. I didn't really put the blocks correctly, so I didn't really spawn on this block here, but yeah, that doesn't really matter. It will teleport you south if you don't put the Y or the yaw on the pitch. Nothing to worry about, really nothing to worry about. Better off to do it that they spawn on a block instead of in the sky, by the way. Otherwise it doesn't really work out well. But yeah guys, that is pretty much how you do the /hub command. Pretty simple actually. So many people wanted to do that, and it is really cool. You could even set it as a def event where it teleports the player to the hub, or you could just teleport them to a certain location. That's basically what the hub command is. It teleports them to a certain location. You can't do /set hub or anything like that. That doesn't go right. You can't really set hub because it's not reading it from a config, it's reading it from the code itself, which you can update whenever you get in a new hub or something, which isn't hard to do at all. Obviously config is much better, but I prefer the hub part. So yeah guys, that is it. Obviously set a permission if you want, don't have to if you really don't want to. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I'll see you next time. See you guys.